in Rome, and I'm here to learn how to make pasta and pizza.
Okay, thanks, easy.
Mom, work. One. Close. Second portion. Due. Tre. Tomazzo. Again. And 4. Let's lay down.
Hey, bravo, Cookie.
My pizza's looking very nice.
Show us pizza.
Yeah.
You make that? Yeah. You can read it?
80% of the time.
Oh, okay, cool.
I will.
I'll put cheese and tomato sauce on it.
Okay, excellent. And there it is. That looks...
Margarita.
Yeah, what sort of pizza is it? Oh, excellent work.
I forgot to move that one. Stay here, the move.
Oh, move good. Gives a smile, Sweet.
Speed chef.
Alrighty.
Ready?
Good, Scooby?
Let's destroy first.
Keep hold of it, buddy. Come this way. Is that your first? Show us. Ta-da! Oh, you're good. How's it going so far?
It is going very well. I'm really enjoying it.
Do you recommend this for other kids?
Yes, I
You do?
really much.
Where can they find out?
Down below in the description. See you. Hi guys, we've done making pizza. Next up we're going to make pasta. Don't know which type yet, but you'll see.
So the point is, ingredients. The first point is never, if you care about a better pizza, never.
For the pasta, go 1, 2, 3, up, down. 1, 2, 3, up, down. Go. 1.
Go, Scooby.
Marta, mira. Bajas.
And you go 1.
Bravo. What did you end up making? Tortellini. Oh, wow. Excellent. Bravo. Okay, how we doing?
Good. I'm now doing another one.
Let's have a look. Ooh. Ooh, very good. You made all these?
Yeah. Video, look guys. this, look. Ricky, so you push down, then you move real quick, and if it's not too great, just roll it up.
Ooh, gonna take that. That's okay. There you go. Go.
I'm about to make my favourite pasta, penne pasta.
Show us.
One side sticky with water, and then you take the shot.
Flour side.
Más o menos no.
No baguette.
Push it down on there.
Toma. Va para que hagas.
Push it down on there.
Tiene que mejorar, como te he dicho.
Oh,
More squares.
okay, let's see. Ooh. You gonna eat that one?
No, you can't eat it. While the camera wasn't looking, while I wasn't feeding, I made this penne.
Ooh, well, bravo. Bravo. Now you can make your own dinner. What do you reckon?
Allora guys, for the next one I'm gonna use a full type chitarra, okay? Leave a layer of the pasta on it. With the rolling before the pasta, not on the pasta, before the pasta. Push down and roll up to the end. Then stop the guitar with your body. Do not get back, because if it comes up, it can be really dangerous. So stop it with your body. Push down and drag it back.
Wow.
Chitarra.
That's it. Feels that?
Hey guys, I'm back. We finished doing our pasta dough, and see you in a bit.
So, Coop, what are you eating? Zucchini.
Fettuccine, with butter and a bit of pepper.
And did you make this one?
Yes, I did.
So it was worth coming here, yeah?
I've got a piece hot.
Bit hot?
Yeah.
Okay, still bit. Oh, yeah. So, do we get a thumbs up for the day out? Cool.
Really good.
Bravo, buddy.